Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE to your laptop or computer. So the first thing is to make sure that you have the USB plug on your PC, and I have a few of them. And now take the cable from the box, which is USB to USB-C. We can plug in USB-C to our phone and USB to our computer. So the phone starts charging, and that indicates that we have successfully connected. And now if we unlock it, we can choose what to do with USB. You can transfer photos, transfer all of the files, or charge it only. So I'll be transferring files. Now let's click on the pop-up on our PC, open a device to view files, and right here we can see internal storage of our phone, and we can move, copy, paste files between our computer and the phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.